Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Video, I listed top 5 BGA Rework stations on 2023. In the BGA Rework stations review video, we will show you 5 top rated BGA Rework stations to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best BGA Rework stations. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description.
At number 5. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Check the description link for full product information and price. At number 4. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. % off. Link on description. At number 3. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. % off. Link on description. At number 2. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. % off. Link on description. At number 1. Products images. Sold. Review. Rating. % off. Available in stock. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.